change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
All right, so we got some really nice items. We got a 25 heated water hose,
25 heated.
25-foot heated water hose from Kohree. All right, this is a heated water hose. So right now we're in plus 30-degree Arkansas, but as you know, Arkansas also freezes up in the winter. I love this packaging. That's us. So when we're back home in the spring, we'll be heading home back in March.
Well, we'll be
April.
starting to work our way up. There's a chance it can get cold
We
anywhere
may
along
have
the
to
way.
use this, and it protects up to minus 40 Fahrenheit, and that's minus 40 Celsius as well. It's a heated water hose. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so you can see my standard RV hose. This is not heated. What you gotta know is there's a lot of RV parks. If you like to do winter camping, or not even winter, let's say fall camping, where there's a threat of frost, there's a lot of RV parks that will not let you in the RV park unless you have a heated hose.
We've stayed in one right here in Arkansas, about 20 minutes from where we are.
Yeah.
We were required to buy an electrical heated hose or heat our own hose. You can do it
You
by
can
yourself.
buy wire and wrap wire. I would not recommend that. I really would just get a proper heated hose. They use the right wiring and they're rated for it and they've gone through safety. You could try to do something on your own and get heated tape for a few extra bucks. You just do it right.
Yep. And so this is a drinking water hose. So it is
Yeah, it's lead free.
lead-free, BPA-free, phthalate-free. So you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And
It's for drinking water.
yeah, for your drinking water.
And this is 25 feet, which is usually plenty.
I don't even know how long that hose is, but it's mostly just coiled up right there.
Yeah.
Doesn't go very far.
Oh wow, I've had a heated hose in the past.
We've had 2 different heated hoses.
This looks really nice. So, just gonna give you guys a rundown. Turn off the water, and you can see the difference just visually right away. Look at your standard hose. So, embedded in this outer insulation is a hose and a heating wire. You'll notice the water source here is already insulated. This big container around the water source, they preemptively insulated it.
Because Arkansas does get cold.
What happens when you're at an RV park during the winter?
I don't think our other ones had that sleeve.
Yeah, no, this is a nice feature. That's why I want to
Yeah.
get to it. What ends up happening in a winter situation, as depicted on the box, this is insulated, this is heated and insulated. It's this point that can still freeze on you. What this heated hose comes with is an insulated sleeve, and that runs up over the connection. Like, that is awesome.
Yeah, we haven't had that.
I've never seen this before, and that's a fantastic feature because this hose is going to be heated to this point, and you put this sleeve over the connection and it's going to trap that heat for the connection, which is awesome. So you run that, and then this hooks up onto your camper side. Same thing, it has a sleeve, and that runs up over the connection. If your camper doesn't have an outlet right beside your water connection, that's no problem. You run an extension cord. In our situation here, we would just run our extension cord from the 15 amp service to this plug when you want the heating function. Obviously, right now we're in plus 30-degree weather, but you don't need to keep 2 hoses. You can just use this as your standard drinking hose and just not connect the heating.
Yeah, don't plug it in.
Just hook up your water hose as normal if you don't want to carry 2. If you don't have the space for 2. Definitely looking forward to using this as we head home to Canada. We're gonna run into some frost, and this is gonna be awesome. So, Also, we got the surge protector adapter. This is really cool. Our bus is 50 amp service. This will act as a reducer. So we plug our 50 amps into the surge protector and it reduces down to 30 amps. So there are scenarios where we may not have access to 50 amp service. That's where this comes in. It'll reduce it down to 30 amps and offer surge protection. So it's a 2-in-1 device, which is really awesome. We have very limited space with the bus, so that eliminates one extra item, which is great.
And when we're in situations where we don't need to run both ACs or either of the ACs, 30 amp sites are a lot cheaper to rent.
That's true.
So at any point where we just say we want to get a 30 amp site, we pay less for the RV site, and then we just use this adapter.
Yeah, that's a very good point. It has a
Weather protector.
weatherproof protector. It gives you all the different things that may be wrong with this. So it's a really smart thing to do when you come to a site.
Especially if you ever stay at brand new RV parks that haven't worked out their kinks. Michael's been to RV parks to fix people's trailers because it's wrecked the electrical in their camper.
That's right.
Because their posts didn't get wired right when they brought in the electrician that didn't understand how, what's it called?
They wired it wrong.
They wired it wrong for
so
RVs.
There was an instance where the RV, the ground was energized, which is very dangerous. It hot skins your RV. So this is going to tell you if it's correct wiring. You're going to get 2 green lights. If you get an open ground or reverse polarity, that's where you run into major issues on an RV. If it's reverse polarity, that means they wired the wires in the wrong configuration. They're energizing the wrong wires.
And it will cause damage to your electrical system in your camper, and it's very expensive to fix, which we know because Michael gets paid to do it.
I had to fix someone. They completely melted all their neutral wires because they energized the ground and it gave off so much heat it melted all the neutrals. You know, this is not going to cost you that much. It's going to cost you a lot to replace your fuse panel and potentially damage your appliances. So this is going to reduce that risk. So you just plug it into your 30 amp right here. And what do we get? All right, so we're plugged in here. We're seeing 2 green lights, which means it's correct wiring.
Why does it keep flashing off and on?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's just loose.
And in this scenario, we do have 50 amp.
And we are using both ACs.
And we're running both of our ACs.
We will need to get a 50 amp surge protector as well. We're going to need to take these same precautions. These actually in our Airstream and our coach bus, we did have situations where we hot skinned those. And what happens is when the kids are running around barefoot outside and then they go to jump into the camper and one foot's on the ground, they actually get a slight electrical shock.
It can be dangerous for a small pet or something like that. It's awesome. Looks great. This 50 amp would plug right into there. And so we'd have a reducer. Really looking forward to using it. Come on, bud. Oh, what's that? It's raining.
We're camping in the rain, right? Ooh, you're getting it. You're getting it. Do you like the rain, Emmy?
Yeah.
It's a little wet. Let's go the long way.
Mama,
Yeah?
do snakes like rain?
Do snakes like rain?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure worms do.
Well, they like to come out of the ground because if the ground gets too wet, they can't breathe, I think. So they come out where they can get some oxygen. Hear that sound of the rain in the trees? That's a beautiful sound.
I didn't recognize the name, but as soon as you guys told me, I knew what it was.
Oh, it smells like squirt. Oh my god, it does.
Yeah, it smells like what?
Pink.
Right.
It's literally
I don't
pink.
think I've ever had that before.
It's good. It's like squirt.
Yeah, squirt's like bright grapefruit.
Grapefruit pop. You said pop.
That was not a look of
The
validation.
first like sip is good, but then it like aftertaste is like super sweet.
Literally, but it's gluten-free.
It's not bad.
I think it's probably like a Red Bull.
It's not bad. That's pretty good.
Yep. All right, we're getting the kids' bed rails attached.
It's not a giant rail, just enough so she can roll into it.
Yeah, just to kind of remind her in her sleep not to move anymore. This is where Emily wanted it because she said that she climbs up in that corner so it gives her lots of space to climb up, but just a little rail. Nothing too fancy.
Oh, that's tiny.
It is tiny, but it'll keep her from rolling right out. That's what we want. Something she'd have to get over to get out. All right, and the boys, theirs is gonna go on the outside.
Where does where?
I would say more that.
Oh, hi.
Probably. Jesse, you lay down, let me see. Because he's the one.
He keeps getting squashed out of bed.
Maybe right there. I would even just put it like almost flush down. So that'll hold him in.
Mm-hmm.
But that makes it so it's not too hard to get over when you're climbing it. It doesn't get in their way too much. Okay, just right. Okay, you can do the next one. Come on over. Oh, you're like daddy. Full power. Yep.
I'm already ready.
Yeah?
Not ready.
Who colored on the side of the bunk bed?
Not me.
Who did that?
Not me.
Who did that then?
Who colored there?
Jesse. That was the rest.
I know it wasn't you. You don't color on the floor. Hey, look at me. And don't color on the bed. You only color on what?
I didn't.
Hey, look at me. What do we color on?
He's gonna deny it.
What do you? Paper. That's right. Only on paper.
Mom, I was doing yellow, but then I looked at the other side.
And you did white too.
But I didn't need to do that.
Give it a try. Try to roll out of bed.
Roll a bit.
Bunk.
I want to do the
I think it's worse than before.
Happen if I do that one.
It'll be comfy.
All right. We did a hole in the top of the can. We're gonna see what happens. Back up. Whoa, put it in your mouth. Oh, put it in your mouth. Now you just gotta slurp it out.
That didn't work very well.
It's fun though, isn't it?
I want to try that.
I want to try that.
It's not spraying as much as it should.
It's bubbly. It's not pop.
Right.
Whoa.
Big tire.
A big tire. Well, all our friends are packing up and leaving the campground today.
We're talking up to the city.
We're not packing up today. We actually were able to extend our stay. Originally, there were no sites available through the weekend, but whoever was going to be right at our site actually canceled, and so we don't even have to move. So we're staying till Monday, and then we'll head straight from here to Louisiana on Monday. So Adri is super excited, but it is sad to see our friends go. 1 week with them was awesome, but sometimes you just wish it could be longer. I'm a super social person, so I could totally just keep doing this, but I realize other people like Michael are more introverts and need their me time. So anyway, so we're helping our friends pack up, getting them ready to go. The kids are playing, and then we are gonna head to the Springdale, Fayetteville area and gonna go and do some thrift store shopping, hit up Whole Foods because I haven't been there yet since we got to the States, and do some laundry and enjoy the day. So that's what we're up to.
Taco Monster game.
Tickle Monster game?
Yeah.
Wow, is it fun?
Yeah.
Who's tickling who?
Me.
Oh, you. Oh my goodness.
Oh, he's already got the hands in the pockets. Look at that.
That fit him okay?
Well, once you seam rip the back,
Yeah. The vest looks maybe a little short, but it'll be okay for one day. What? The helmet's on. I told him he could try on the helmet if he tried on the suit.
I don't think
look at how cute he
No,
is.
I don't think so. That's adorable. You look, oh, you look so cute too.
Do you like it, Levy?
Adrian, look at.
That looks kind of amazing.
Storm shaper on the loose.
I need this one. I want that one.
I like the tan better.
Yeah. After you want to switch back? You like alphas?
I think the darker.
If the lighter is cheaper, do cheaper. Will that look good with the color suit that you bought, or are you not getting that one?
We're not getting a suit.
Oh, okay.
I like the lighter ones, and they're on this sale. Even before I knew it was half off, I thought it was.
All right, done. All right, we did pretty well at the thrift store. We got a lot of outfits for the wedding. We got Levi the cutest little suit. Michael got some dress pants. That guy's leaf blower's really loud. Anyways, Michael and I are gonna run into Whole Foods and grab a few things. And then we're gonna do laundry. We're gonna do laundry. We're back at our favorite laundromat in the world.
And it has a playground in it. Did we ever film this before?
We did, one time.
Yes, a long time ago.
Let me fix my mustache before we go.
So we're going to do laundry and let the kids play.
Like it literally
all
has
in one shot.
Yeah,
I need to get a trim and a little haircut
in it.
Before we get to
brush your
Louisiana.
I have
brushing.
like a woman.
That's coffee, Mom.
That's not coffee. Yeah. Oh, slippery socks. You gonna take them off?
You want talkies?
I have to take them off for you?
Something maybe a toy machine. It's cooking! Levi, that's me in